When it comes to sports earbuds, there are a lot of combinations that ultimately makes it an awesome pair of earbuds for all of your activities. And many companies try to achieve this, but not many of them manage to pull off what Anker has to offer today. And personally, I think these earbuds really just hits all the right buttons. So welcome to a review of the Soundcore Spirit X2. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the Anker Soundcore Spirit X2. So Anker has never disappointed me every time I try out one of their earbuds. They always have the best packaging, good specs, and most importantly, good sound. All in a price tag that doesn't cost you an arm. Anker have sent me their new Spirit X2 to check out, and I am truly happy that they did. Although they have sent me these earbuds, I'll still be providing you my honest opinions so you know how these earbuds actually sound like before you buy them. The Soundcore Spirit X2 retails in Malaysia for about 387 Malaysia ringgit now, and that is about US 80. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and I will also link you to Anker's website so you can actually read out more about their earbuds. So I want to start with the box that the Spirit X2 comes in, and Anker puts in tremendous effort in giving you an amazing experience right from the get-go when you receive the box. So it's a little bit different than how Apple tries to make their packaging as minimal as they can, but I kind of like Anker's approach more because it makes you feel like you're opening something really special. So opening up the box, you see the technology that Anker wants to promote, and in the case of the X2 is a bass turbo technology that gives you the option to boost the bass when you need them. So once you take out the case from the box, you immediately feel how well built the entire case really is. And similar to the Liberty 2 Pro, the case comes in a very nice rubber-like plastic that feels absolutely premium in your hands. At the top of the case, you see the Soundcore branding there. I kind of much prefer if they just went with the fonts on top of the case, which will make it look a little bit more classier. And at the front of the case, there are 3 LED indicators that shines nice and bright and lets you know how much juice are there left inside the case. So flipping the case around, you'll see a button that lets you check the battery level of the case, and next to it you'll see a flap that hides the USB-C charge port at the back. And I kind of understand the sentiment behind Soundcore's decision to put flaps in all of their cases, and that adds to the premium feel of the entire case and makes the entire case looks very flush and intentional. So the lid opens up nice and smooth, however the hinge is not weighted and the mechanism doesn't hold the lid up for you, so it will slam shut when you slightly push on it, and the magnets in the lids also acts as a mechanism to turn on the earbuds. So as and when you open up the case, the earbuds are immediately activated, which means once you get them inside your ears, they are already primed and ready to go. So the earbuds are one of the best I've seen in the industry and has that nice rubberized feel you get on a case, and that adds the extra grip when using it for different activities. The entire hardware of the earbuds just screams quality and is built like a piece of rugged art if you ask me. So overall, there are 2 ways Soundcore uses to ensure that the earbuds stay nice and snug in your ears, and the first obvious way is of course the ear hooks, similar to most sport earbuds of this style, but what's unique is that Anker even includes wingtips to help these earbuds stay even more secure in your ears. So Anker also gives you 10 total pairs of ear tips in different sizes and 3 total pair of wingtips for you to swap it around. This is all in the effort to help ensure that these stays on your ear no matter what. So what I absolutely love about the design of these earbuds is that it uses physical buttons rather than a touch control. So when you're running about outside, you can feel where to press the buttons and you know what you are controlling without having to guess the number of taps, and this is a really practical feature that Anker actually thought through. So overall, the earbuds will give you an impressive 9 hours of continuous playback time, and the case gives you a total of 36 hours of playback with the case. That is about 4 full charge cycles, and the case as well as the earbuds charges up really quickly in a case in about 1.5 hours. The earbuds also features a quick charging feature, so a quick 10 minutes charge will give you an extra 2 hours of runtime. So this is especially useful when you run out of battery and really just need that extra juice to go that extra mile. So overall, I think the design and the build quality of the Spirit X2 is really quite impressive. So in terms of the different features that the earbuds provide, the X2 actually offers you the best features available currently for maximum enjoyment. The X2 uses the latest Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0 chip, which also gives you support for aptX, AAC as well as SBC audio playback for the best possible audio latency, connectivity as well as the best audio quality. The X2 also offers you an IP68 dust and water resistant rating that gives you the maximum protection for both dust as well as water. So IP68 means the earbuds are fully sealed off from dust, and in terms of water resistant rating, it will withstand being underwater under pressure for long periods of time. So theoretically, these earbuds should withstand anything that you can possibly throw at them. So Anker has made it very easy for you to connect the Soundcore Spirit X2 to your mobile phone. So all you gotta do is open up the case, and once the case is open, you should start to see one of the earbuds start flashing very quickly. And once it does that, you can start clicking on the scan button on your phone. So let's wait for it to flash. There you go, it's flashing. Click on scan and you should see your earbuds pop up in your Bluetooth menu here. So there you go, Soundcore Spirit X2. Let's click on that and it should start to connect your earbuds to your mobile phone. Click on OK. And now it's also asking you to pair the other side of the earbuds. So both of the earbuds connect seamlessly to your mobile phone, so you can switch them from one side to the other. And so that's basically how you connect the Spirit X2 to your mobile phone. So let's get to the interesting part of these earbuds, which is the sound quality. And the sound quality of Soundcore's earphones have always been quite exceptional in my books. These earbuds, although only powered with a single 12mm composite dynamic driver, produce a wonderful sound signature that has very clear, crisp separation between the bass, the mids, and the highs. So overall, the earbuds gives a very nice airy sound signature that is very representative of Soundcore, and almost all of their earbuds have this nicely tuned sound profile that is very nice overall. So the X2 also features a bass up feature where you hold the bottom 2 buttons of the left and right earbuds for about 1 second, and it toggles you between normal mode and bass up mode, which drastically enhances the bass performance of these earbuds. Here's my take to it. Even in normal mode, the bass on these earbuds are powerful and loud, and with the bass up feature, it takes the earbuds to a whole new level. The only downside of it is that lady voice that tells you when you are in and out of bass up mode is a little bit too loud, and you really can't control the volume of her voice. So if you're picking up this specifically for workout use and want that nice strong bass, then this is definitely the earbuds for you. And in terms of the call quality, the Spirit X2 is really quite a nice pair of earbuds for using for phone calls. The earbuds features Qualcomm CVC 8.0 technology, but similar to most CVC technology earbuds, I think these earbuds sound awesome in quiet environment, and when it comes to noisy environment, it doesn't quite suppress ambient noise as much, but it makes your voice comes through very clearly instead. Not sure why it doesn't quite suppress background noise, but at least they do a good job in managing your sound overall. So let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not the Soundcore Spirit X2 is a good earphones for making phone calls. So currently I'm speaking without any ambient noise in the background, and I believe you can hear me very clearly. So what I'm going to do now is simulate a cafe background sound in my background and let you hear whether or not the sound quality is the same. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the back. So this is my voice coming through, and you can see that the earbuds are not really cancelling out too much of the background noise, but you can still hear me very clearly. So this is the sound quality of the Soundcore Spirit X2. With Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX codec support, there are really no issues with latency when watching videos on Netflix or YouTube. However, playing games such as PUBG, it does kinda have a very minor delay, not terrible but still noticeable. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So one fantastic thing about the Spirit X2 is the controls of the earbuds, and it does allow you to control the entire spectrum of media controls with the exception of pulling out your assistant. So to play or pause media, simply click on the button at the bottom of either side of the earbuds, and this allows you to play or pause your media or pick up phone calls. To increase or decrease the volume, simply press on the top button of the right side of the earbuds, and to decrease the volume, simply press the top button of the left side of the earbuds to decrease the volume. To skip tracks forwards or backwards, use the same volume button, but this time press and hold the button. So that allows you to skip forward, and that allows you to skip backwards as well. So lastly, to toggle between the two EQ modes, normal as well as bass up, simply hold the bottom button on both of the earbuds for 1 second and you hear a prompt that tells you you're going into normal mode or bass up mode. So that's basically all of the controls you get when using the Soundcore Spirit X2. Overall, I'm in love with these earbuds and I think it'll be my next go-to pair when I'm heading out to the gym. I kinda understand why they don't include ANC on these earbuds, since some people will be using them for running and want to be aware of their surroundings, but I would love to see Soundcore design a pair with ANC, so I can cut myself out from the world when I'm using them in the gym. So that is it for this review, and if you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.